2026 Lexus RX arrives with a fresh attitude, blending luxury, technology, and performance into one of the most refined mid-size SUVs of the year. When you first look at it from the front, the new spindle-evolved grille immediately stands out. It's slimmer, more sculpted, and flows seamlessly into the sharper LED headlights, giving the RX a futuristic and confident face. The front bumper carries bolder lines, deeper contours, and a lower, wider stance that makes the SUV look planted even before it moves. Walk around to the side and you'll notice how carefully Lexus has reshaped the 2026 model. The body lines are cleaner, the fenders are slightly wider, and the floating roof design looks even sleeker than before. The side profile balances elegance with sportiness, thanks to the redesigned alloy wheels that enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Moving toward the rear, the full-width LED light bar gives the RX a very premium signature at night, and the redesigned tailgate with a smoother curve adds to the SUV's sophisticated look. Even the rear bumper has been updated with more pronounced edges and a stronger, more athletic appearance. Inside the 2026 RX, the cabin feels like a personal luxury lounge. Lexus has pushed the boundaries with higher-grade materials, ultra-soft leather, ambient lighting, and a quietness that almost shuts the world out. The seats offer improved bolstering and long-distance comfort, and the driver is welcomed with a modern cockpit featuring a large touchscreen, intuitive controls, and Lexus's updated interface that responds faster and more naturally. The panoramic sunroof brings a sense of openness, while the rear seats are spacious enough to keep passengers comfortable even on long trips. For families and tech, the 2026 RX introduces smarter connectivity. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with the premium Mark Levinson audio system that turns every drive into a The digital instrument cluster delivers a clean and customizable layout, and the head-up display keeps essential information right in the driver's line of sight. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus RX offers a refined balance of power and efficiency, whether you choose the traditional gasoline engine or the hybrid variant. The acceleration feels smooth, responsive, and controlled. Lexus focused on reducing body roll and improving steering feedback, so the RX drives with more confidence, especially on curvy roads. The hybrid version is particularly impressive, delivering strong performance while saving fuel, making it a smart choice for daily commuting or long-distance travel. The suspension system has also been improved to absorb bumps more effectively, giving passengers a comfortable ride no matter the road conditions. From a safety perspective, Lexus continues its tradition of excellence with the latest Lexus safety system. Plus, it includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and advanced collision prevention features that work seamlessly in the background. Parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, and improved automated parking make maneuvering the RX easier than ever, even in tight city spaces. What truly sets the 2026 RX apart is its ability to blend everything people love about an SUV: performance, technology, and safety into a package that feels premium without trying too hard. It's not overly aggressive, yet it carries presence. It's packed with technology, yet remains simple to use. It's powerful, but still efficient. And most importantly, it stays true to the Lexus reputation of reliability and refinement. For anyone looking for a luxury midsize SUV that delivers comfort, elegance, modern technology, and a smooth driving experience, the 2026 Lexus RX stands out as one of the most well-rounded options available today. This model doesn't just update the RX legacy, it elevates it, making it a compelling choice for drivers who want something dependable, stylish, and effortlessly premium.